Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automation in Detail. Shiva here. In this video, I'll show you how to create Android virtual device in the Android Studio application, and also we will install the testing application that is required for the automation. Fine. So let me open the Android Studio application. Yeah, so this is the latest Android Studio application, that is the Ladybug. So if you guys have not yet installed, please go back to this tutorial series and install this application in your system. Okay, so here you need to select this more actions and select the virtual device manager. Okay, so here we can see that no devices are present. That means no virtual devices are present. We need to create virtual device. So let me select that. Okay, so here we have a different category of devices ranging from phone, tablet, Wear OS, desktop, and TV and all. But since we are automating the mobile app application, right? So we need to select the phone. So here also we have varieties of, the Pixel devices in the different versions. So we have Pixel 8, Pixel 7, Pixel 6, 5, 4, and all. So it's better to select a normal device, not the foldable one, with the bigger screen size so that we can easily access. Okay, so I'll be selecting Pixel 9 Pro XL mobile device with a 6.8-inch screen size. Okay, let me select the next. So here we need to select a system image to continue. So what is system image? It is actually a software package which contains all the necessary components to emulate the specific version of the Android OS. Okay, and also it includes some core system files and also libraries that are required to run the Android on the this virtual device. Okay, and people who are using the Windows system, right? So you guys have to select the other images here and click on this. Okay, vanilla ice cream, x86 underscore 64, Android 15.0, Google APIs. Okay, and people who are using a MacBook with Intel processor, they also have to select this one only. But if you guys are using a MacBook with Apple Silicon chips, that is M1, M2, or M3, right? So you guys have to select this one, ARM64-V8A Google APS. Okay, so looks like that is also present over here or no. So we have a Google Play here. So you can select on this, and if you click on this, right, it will start downloading. And I'm using a MacBook with M2 chip, so I have selected this and click on this button. So here they are asking us to download, accept the license and agreement. So let me select next. Okay, so this will start downloading this file for us again. It's 1.7 GB. So this will take some time, guys. So once it is installed, right, so that we can continue further. Okay, now it is properly installed, so we can see that it's 100% completed. So let me click on finish. Okay, so we have downloaded this images, so that's why we are not seeing any download image here. Okay, after that you have to click on next button, and here we have the details of the Android virtual device name and all. So here it says the AVD name, that is the Android virtual device name. So you can keep it as it is, or you can just delete that last part, ABA35. And it is also saying the startup orientation. That means the moment you launch the application, what should be the default orientation. So let it be in the portrait as well, portrait only. Okay, so fine, you just have to click on finish. Okay, so now we have a virtual device created, that is Pixel 9 Pro XL. Okay, and it has the API 35, Android OS, that is 15.0, and it's what is a virtual, because it's a virtual, right? Because it's not a physical device. Okay, so and also if I click on this more button, that is this 3 dots, so we can edit the name. Let me click on cancel, and also we can wipe out the enter data, and also we can view the details of that particular device. Okay, so we will see these details when we start coding it. Okay, let me launch this virtual device first. Okay, now guys, first time when you're trying to launch, right, it will take some time because it has to do all the boot up and all. So we just have to wait for a while. Let me see how much time does it take here again. So if you guys are using a Windows system, make sure that you guys are having a good, sufficient memory, that is a RAM. Okay, so I think it has opened like this. So let me just minimize this a bit. Yeah, so this is good. Okay, so awesome. So it has started quickly and fastly. Very good. Okay, so here we can see that this is the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL device. So it's good. And let me just navigate and also go to settings just to check whether the same device we have launched. Go to about emulated device. Okay, here is it there, or let me just go back. Where is the about to device? Okay, that's fine. I mean, no need to worry about that. Is somewhere it should be there, devices. Yeah, so Android version is 15. Okay, so the model is this. Okay, good. Now, so we have the Android virtual devices created, and also we can see that power off button over here and on. So similar way how you do it in your physical device, right? So all those buttons are present over here. So volume up, volume down, and capture the screenshot, which will capture the screenshot for you, and also the orientation. Okay, not this one. We don't want that, right? So let me select like this. Okay, and what else? So this is a device back button. So if I just go and do like this, it will go back to home screen. And what else? So here we can see all the details of that particular devices, the options, the battery percentage, and the location and everything. Okay, so this we will see as and when we get the need to use this. Okay, so now we have created a virtual device. So what we need to do is that we need to install the testing application. Okay, so for that we have two applications. So one is the API demos application and another one is the demo application from the Sauce Labs. Okay, I'll tell you how to install both so that in the upcoming tutorial series, right, we can use both the applications to automate. Okay, so the first one is this, that is the API demos debug.apk application. So this I have used it in my first video where I was explaining this APM architecture. I have used these applications to automate. Okay, so what you guys have to do, you just have to go to this link and click on this download raw file, which will start downloading the file for you. Okay, so that I have downloaded it already, but anyways, that's fine. So this is one application, and another application is this my demo app Android from Sauce Labs. So this got released the 2 days back. Again, here you guys have to select this. Okay, so if you select this, right, this will also start downloading. Okay, now what you have to do to install this application in your Android emulator, right, or Android virtual device, right, you just have to open this and you have to drag and drop that APK application to your device. So let me first do this API demos debug.apk. Let me just drag and drop here. Okay, it is installing the APK, so it is done. See guys, this is same in Windows system as well. So since I'll be recording most of my tutorials on the MacBook, but as and when required, if there is any the device, not the device actually, the laptop specific, that means any steps are different in Windows system, right, then I'll be creating a separate video. But 95% of the time it will be same actually, so no need to worry about that. Now let us go back and see. Yeah, so API demos application is installed. Let me open that. Okay, so yeah, so this is the application which we have used. Now if I want to go back, I just have to click on this. Okay, animation and all. Okay, looking good. So let me go back to the home screen. Now let us install this Sauce Lab demo application. Okay, so let me drag and drop. Yeah, so this is also installed. Fantastic. So this is the my demo app. Okay, yeah, so this looks cool, right? So yep, so we have a drop down web view, so it will be good to use the web during the web view automation as well. That's good. Now what we have, fingerprint. Okay, biometrics not supported. Fine, no issues. Okay, so these are the two applications, guys. So go and install these applications, play around, get to know this application. So and think of like what all the ways that we can automate it and how many scenarios we can do that on all. Okay, so in the upcoming tutorials, we'll see all those things. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this. Have a great day. Bye.